Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create NeoDove lead from Google Ads. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Google Ads, automatically a new lead should be created in my NeoDove account. For that, what we are going to do is, we are going to create an automation between Google Ads and NeoDove with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect runs on two concepts, that is trigger and action. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Google Ads and my action application is going to be NeoDove. If you want to learn how to do this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create NeoDove leads from Google Ads. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Google Ads, automatically a new lead should be created in my NeoDove account. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to create an automation between Google Ads and NeoDove with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on this screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After that, you can see all Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. After that, you can see Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to open in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, we have to click on this button right over here that says Create Workflow. Then a new dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Create NeoDove lead from Google Ads. After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here. I want to save this workflow in NeoDove Automations folder, so I'm going to select the folder. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Create NeoDove lead from Google Ads, and there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, another says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two steps. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, we're going to set up our trigger step. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here. For our trigger application, we are going to select it as Google Ads because we want that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Google Ads, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that lead generated. After that, for our trigger event, we are going to select it as New Lead Form Entry. After that, you can see Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, we are going to connect Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to copy this URL from here. And for connecting Google Ads with Pabbly Connect, we have to follow the steps given here below. Firstly, what we have to do is we have to open our Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and currently there is no live campaign going on with the help of Google Ads for my business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a test connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect, and also we're going to send the test data. But if you have a live campaign going on, you can connect your Google Ads with Pabbly Connect by following the same process which I'm going to tell you. Firstly, what we have to do is we have to scroll down. After that, over here you can see an option that says Lead Delivery Option. Over here it is asking for the webhook URL. Over here we're going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. And for the key right over here, I'm going to write in a dummy key. After filling all the details, I'm going to click over here on Send Test Data. Over here you can see it says test data send. So now I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect account and I'm going to check whether a test data is received in a Pabbly Connect or not. For that, I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect account. I'm going to scroll down, and yes, in the place of this response, you can see a test data is captured right over here. But if you have a live campaign going on with the help of Google Ads, in the place of this test response right over here, you're going to receive the response that you will be receiving with the help of Google Ads. So firstly, for the email, you have received a test email, as you can see right over here. For the phone phone number, test mobile number, for the last name over here as last name, for the first name over here as first name, and all the other details. So this means that we successfully connected Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. And we want that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Google Ads, automatically a new lead should be created in my NeoDove account. So we are going to set up our action step. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here. And as we want to create a new lead in our NeoDove account, for our action application right over here, I'm going to select it as NeoDove. So I'm going to select my action application as NeoDove. And for our action event, I'm going to select it as create lead. After that, I'm going to click on connect. After clicking on connect over here, you can see it is asking for the integration ID. So we are going to find the information for the integration ID. For that, we have to follow the steps which is given in help desk. For that, we have to open our NeoDove account first. After opening our NeoDove account, on the left side of my screen, you can see over here it says integrations. We're going to click on it. Then we're going to click on view active integrations. After click on view active integrations, you can see over here it says custom integration campaign. So this is the integration that I've already created. If you want to connect Pabbly Connect with your NeoDove account, you have to create an integration. So this is the integration that I've created. So over here in the help desk, it says this is the integration ID right over here. So over here you can see this is the integration ID given. So I'm going to copy this integration ID from here. And I'm going to paste the integration ID right over here. After that, it is asking for the phone number, name, email address, and other details. So we're going to fill in all the details. Firstly, for the phone number, what we're going to do is we're going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from our previous step. For that, we will click on this field right over here. Over here, you can see this was the previous step of this automation process, that is Google Ads new lead form entry. After that, we're going to click on this arrow right over here, and you can see this was the response that was captured in our previous step. As you want the data for the phone number, I'm going to map the data for the phone number right over here. While mapping, you have to map the data of the string value right over here in the previous response. After that, it's asking for the name. We're going to map the data for the name as well. Click on this field right over here, click on this arrow right over here, as we have received the name in first name and last name format. So what we're going to do is we're going to map the data for the first name first, space, then we're going to map the data for the last name. After that, it is asking for the email address. So we're going to map the data for the email address as well. Click right over here, click on this arrow right over here. We're going to map the data for the email address. After filling all the details, we're going to click on save and send test request. Over here, you can see a response is received. In place of response, it says OK. So this means a new lead might have been created in a NeoDove account. So now what we're going to do is we're going to check whether a new lead is created or not. For that, I'm going to open my NeoDove account. After opening NeoDove account, how are we going to check whether a new lead is created? We're going to click on the campaign that we have created, that is right over here. Then over here, you can see it says view leads. We're going to click on it. And over here you can see a new lead is created in my NeoDove account. As you can see, this is the lead that is created. For the name as first name space last name, for the phone number, dummy mobile number, for the email, a dummy email address. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Google Ads and NeoDove with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I wanted was that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Google Ads, automatically a new lead should be created in my NeoDove account. For that, we have created an automation between Google Ads and NeoDove with the help of Pabbly Connect. And this is how we set up the automation between these two applications. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.